Hey y'all, we're talking about 7 reasons to play the ukulele. If you're on the edge and you're like, oh, I really want to learn a new instrument, I want to play the ukulele, this might be the video for you to finally push you over the edge. Or if you're like, I love the ukulele, I want to know more reasons why it's awesome, this video is also for you. Ukulele Wine Time. Reason number 1. Easy entry, super easy barrier to entry to playing the ukulele and to learning your first handful of chords. You could spend just honestly like 30 minutes on the ukulele, learn a chord or two, and be playing songs. Also, the strings are very, very friendly to push down as opposed to the guitar. So all together, it's just a easier instrument to start and get some early wins. And that feels really good to start being able to play some music. Reason number 2, it's very affordable. For about $60 to $75, you can get a great starter instrument that can last you a very long time. I wouldn't go less than that. Ukuleles that are kind of in the cheaper range maybe won't stay in tune, and it might be frustrating for you to play. So I would look in the starter range, but you can find something awesome for under $100. That's absolutely true. Reason number 3, ukuleles are very portable and they travel well, and they're super, super lightweight. Whether you get a hard case that you can actually take on an airplane, or you can get a little shoulder bag. You can take it with you wherever you go, throw it in your car. You can even take it camping with you. Much easier to travel with than a guitar, super lightweight. So you can always have an instrument. If the mood strikes, you want to play a couple songs around the campfire with your friends or with your family while you're visiting. Highly recommend traveling with your ukulele. Reason 4, the amazing ukulele community. So joining the ukulele community, it's the most positive space on the entire internet. Everyone is very, very kind and supportive. If you venture online with your ukulele, you're going to find a lot of wonderful inspiration, a lot of amazing support and warmth there. Also, just in your own community, in your own local community. If you're walking around with a ukulele, I guarantee people are going to talk to you. You're going to make some friends. You're going to connect with other people, maybe some other local musicians. So it's just a wonderful community builder. Hopefully you start some good conversations and make some good friends with your ukulele. Okay, reason number 5, it's really, really fun. You can bring a lot of joy to your life by playing music, by playing the ukulele. You can reduce anxiety in your life, which is awesome. Just picking up your ukulele for like 5 minutes a day, learning new songs, playing with other people. It's just a wonderful, wonderful way to relax and get creative. Reason 6 to play the ukulele. If you have kids, you can play songs with your kids. A lot of these beginning ukulele songs, like You Are My Sunshine, Wheels on the Bus, Twinkle Twinkle, Happy Birthday, they all have very, very basic chords, usually just C, F, and G. So you can get a lot of these great beginner songs under your belt in your repertoire, and then you can go play with them with your kids in a low pressure setting, and your kid's gonna be like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. My parent can play my favorite song, Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And you can connect with them that way through music. Maybe inspire your child to play music as well. Bonus, if your kid is taking piano lessons or guitar lessons or ukulele lessons, maybe you can even play a song with them. How cool would that be? Reason number 7 to play the ukulele. Touched on this a little bit in the beginning, but with just a few chords, you can play tons of songs. So this goes hand in hand with easy entry as an instrument. But as I mentioned in reason number 6, just with a handful of chords like C, F, and G, you can start to learn a ton of songs on the ukulele. So it's just a real confidence booster. You can really start to get some momentum on the ukulele as an instrument and start playing songs right away, which is a ton of fun. Bonus reason to play the ukulele. You can drink wine and play the ukulele and give yourself that creative time, that self-care date that you might need to just get inspired, play some music, unwind every week, and just learn something new. So I hope that these ideas have inspired you to play more ukulele in your life, to get creative, maybe have some ukulele wine time. Who knows? We'll see. And if you were deciding whether or not to take the dive and buy a ukulele, I hope that this convinced you it's time. I'm telling you, it's time. Let's play some music. I hope to see you soon. Cheers. Ukulele wine time.